What if your next laptop was already in your pocket? Waiting to be unleashed. Your phone is as powerful as any top-spec laptop, but its small screen and lack of keyboard holds it back. Introducing Leaf. Leaf is a spectacularly designed and built ultra-portable laptop, powered by your phone. Leaf lets you take advantage of your phone's awesome power and saves you money. Weighing only 2.2 pounds, 12 millimeters thin, premium made full aluminum body, vivid color 12.5-inch full HD display. Full-size keyboard and multi-touch trackpad so you can work faster or even get an edge in mobile gaming. USB-A port for peripherals such as a mouse or external memory drive. USB-C ports for fast charging and connected smartphones. Just connect your phone to Leaf and it instantly becomes a sleek and fully functional laptop. Leaf works with your phone's storage, data, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. And what's more, every time you upgrade your phone, your Leaf gets an upgrade too. Be productive, be entertained, socialize, and play games. Pledge now and join the mobile computing revolution.